So we're going to be looking at how to find the perimeter and the area of algebra tiles. So if we put these algebra tiles together to make a shape, we're going to look at finding the distance around and also the area. So we're going to start with the perimeter, the distance around. Each one of these tiles has a name. You can see this is x squared, this tile is x, 1, and y squared. If this is x squared, we know this side length is x. So we know this distance is x. Here's another x. This distance right here is 1. It matches this one. So this distance is 1. This distance we know is y. This distance is y. Another y. A 1 right here. A 1 right here. And we know this distance again is x. So the only distances we haven't gotten are this one, and this one. Well, this distance right here is 1, but this distance, the whole distance is x, but we're taking away 1. So we're taking x, instead of the whole x, we've got to take away this 1. So this distance would be x minus 1. This distance would be y, here's y, and then we're going to take away the 1. So this distance right here is y minus 1. Now when we find the perimeter, we're going to add all of the lengths together. So let's go ahead and start with this one, and I'll put a star there so I remember when I get back to that. This distance is x plus another x plus 1 plus x minus 1 plus 1 plus y minus 1 plus y plus another y and plus 1 plus x, and that's all the way around. So now let's go ahead and simplify this. So let's see how many x's we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4x. Let's see how many y's. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 y's. And then plus 1 minus 1, that gives me a 0. Another plus 1 minus 1, another 0. And then 1, 2. So plus 2. So my perimeter is 4x plus 4y plus 2. And these x's and y's are variables, so this length could grow or shrink. Now looking at the area, we're just going to sum up all of the small areas together. So if we add this area plus this area plus this area plus this area, we will have the area of the whole figure. So this area right here is x squared. This has an area of x. This has an area of 1. And this has an area of y squared. So when I'm adding them together, I have x squared plus y squared. We normally put the highest degrees first, plus x plus 1. And then I have my area of this figure.